kung saan ako lumaki, kasama lang ang kapatid ko. So kami, nakita, bahay na ito. So tara! Hi guys! So ipapakita ko na po sa inyo kung saan ako nakatira noon. Kasama ng mga kapatid ko. Of course, ang daming naganap na sa bahay na ito. Welcome! Welcome! Nakikita natin ang daming plants. So, we have plants here. This area, paborito ko ito ng papa ko. This area is plant area. Yan, ito po yung mga plants ng papa ko. Yun. Kasi yung papa ko kasi guys, mahilig siya sa plant. Kumbaga plantito. Eh ako naman, plantita. At yung kapatid ko, plantita din. Exit lang ni mama kasi busy si mama sa church. So yon dito, makikita nyo. Alam nyo guys, dati, hindi ito ganito dati. May mga manok dito kasi we're selling chickens before. So yan, may lubi kami. Actually, hindi lang ito isang lubi. There are 3 coconut trees before. Pinuto namin, we cut it because lumalaki na kasi siya. And then, ang liit na ng bahay, ang liit na ng space. So, we have to cut that coconut tree. Dito naman sa side, we have, iba po yung tamis. So, tamis yan. Yung kulay ng tamis na ito, kasi may dalawang kulay yung tamis. Green, saka pula. Ito naman pula. Pasok. This area, ito po yung old design ng house na ito. Original design ng house na ito na dinisign ng papa ko way back 1995. Yes. Ito po yung original design way back 1995. So, my mom told me that don't change this design only. Okay lang na baguhin dito na side. Basta yung original ng design na ito, hindi babaguhin. So, ipapafix lang, tsaka i-paint lang muna. So, as you can see guys, bago lang ito, last year lang, na-renovate ito kasi, naku guys, kawawa ito no. You know, tuwing umuulan, every time it rains, bumakaha. This area, it will be flood, full of water. Kasi there were many damages in the roof. Each damage, it motivates me to make more money, to make plans and projects, and renovate all of David's things. So, ganyan na po mag-isip. Simula nung 20 years old ako. So guys, actually, nandito yung mama at papa ko, mga kapatid ko. So, this video is just random tong video na to kasi we have time, natutulog pa kasi sila. So, we have time to make video. So, tara, apa kayo guys? Welcome to our humble home. Ay, hindi pala. So, we have CCTV. So, be careful. We have many CCTVs here. So, ito yung labi. Hindi pa siya tapos. So, it's just at the meantime lang po. So, kung nakikita niyo dito, here, from there to here, ito yung original. This would be the original size of the lobby. It's very small. Yan. Long time ago, it was like that only. Yes, it was there and here only. That's the original size of the lobby 7 years ago. So now we extend it. So this all gives meaning to my life. So here, this is the new paint that I bought, and I love painting also. And as you can later on guys, makikita nyo sa screen yung mga hindi pa tapos, no? So beside ko yung kwarto ng mama at papa ko. This area lang kasi bago. Kasi kasi pinarenovate ko kasi siya kasi napakaliit ng bahay na ito noon pa lang. So I decided to renovate it, to extend it kasi yung gusto ko yung pamilya. Ako kasi pag nag-iisip ako, kailangan mag-iisip ako 5 years from now, 10 years from now kasi lumalaki yung pamilya guys. So gusto ko yung pag nakita-kita, nandito kayo lahat, mga kapatid mo, yung gano'n. So yeah. So we do have 5 bedroom and 3 restroom. Tatlong CR, 5 bedroom sa bahay na ito. Way back, 10 years ago, we only have 2 bedroom and 1 CR. Yes, guys. So ito po yung CR ng mama at papa ko. Yun yung bintana. Ito po yung kwarto ng mama at papa. Actually, natulog si mama kasi pupunta pa siya na simbahan mama na. She's a catechist. So yun. This side, this is Papa Jesus. This is our boss in this house. Siya lang masusunod sa bahay. So here, ito yung CR. Ito yung CR namin. Dito yung CR namin. Yan, ito yung CR. Yan, nakikita nyo. Nilagyan yung comfort room para ano. At the meantime naman. Ito naman, ito yung lagusan. Ito yung lagusan patungong garden, char, backyard. Hindi guys, ito yung lagusan na hindi pa natatapos. This is the exit door pag may fire or something. We do have 2 exit door sa likod. So, hindi pa siya nagagamit kasi hindi pa tapos. Ito yung lights. Actually, this area, dito talaga yung dining table. Nilagay lang namin doon kasi pag nagluluto, diretso. Dito talaga yung dining area. Hindi pa siya kasi hindi pa matapos yung bahay guys. I have many plans and projects in this house kasi gusto ko yung mga tapa ko komportable. Kagaya lang comfortable ako kung saan ako ngayon. So, this is Odi. So that is our adopted cat. So in-adopt na namin sila kasi kawawa na. Para maging full house ng bahay niya. So I told you we have 2 exit door. Ito yung first exit door. And then yun yung second exit door. Pag may problema. Dito naman yung area na may garden. Tanim na yan. Tinanim ko yan. Ano ba? 2021? Dito din. So malaki na yung matalim. So tara. Tara guys. Tara. So let's see. Yan. So isa nagpapaganda ng bahay is the lightning. Yes. Isa yung mapapailaw sa bahay is the lightning of the ceiling. Kasi gusto ko yung bahay na mataas yung ceiling kasi so this big also is new. I bought that. And I like the design. It reflects to me. Hindi pa ito tapos guys. It's just a temporary. This dining table, 18 years already. This dining table, 18 years already. So this is my luggage. This room is my brother's room. Pinagawa ko kasi each of us deserves privacy. So we deserve privacy. So my brother's room, natutulog siya. And this area, this is my sister's room kasi we deserve privacy. And this area is kitchen area. Napakaliit lang ng kitchen. So, hindi pa din siya tapos guys. Ito yung refrigerator namin. Gusto ko papakita sa inyo kung ano yung nandito. Yun. Papa Jesus talaga yung bida ng bahay ko guys. Yan. So, may bell siya. I put bell kasi malalaman namin kung sino yung kumakain tuwing gabi. Yun ganun. Oh, may kumain na naman! Sino naman yung kumain? Lalaman namin sa may bed. Actually, it's very messy because guys, yeah. So, ito lang. Kung alam nyo lang guys, alam nyo lang yung hirap at pinagdaanan namin ng bahay na ito. Grabe. Tuwing umuulan, nagkakagulo kami kasi we have to prepare baldi. We have to prepare something kasi tumutulo ba yung ulan. Ang daming water. This one, bago lang. Bago lang po guys. This March lang. Tara! So, welcome! Kakagawa lang niya guys. Sa mga gustong tumingin ng second floor. Chart! Second floor. Finally, you can see. Go. So, welcome to the second floor area. So, this area, kakagawa lang. So, I will finish this later on. If my budget na ako guys. So, ito yung room. This is my room. This is my room. So, I am very happy na may room na ako. Even though I already got married, but I do have a plan to make my own room. Kasi 4 kami magkakapatid. So, it should be like, isa sa akin, isa sa kapatid ko, tag-iisa kami. Yun. But, this is very also useful kasi pag may anak ako, pag bumisita yung anak ko dito, she will stay here in his mom room. So, this would be the coffee area, guys. Hindi pa siya tapos, not yet done. It's just because we're out of budget for now. So, it motivates me a lot. It motivates me every time I do have a project. And, nakikita ko naman. So, this would be the coffee area. Aircon, this is aircon. The area, this is our paintings. We do have our acrylic paintings. And this would be the window. Later on, window. So, nilagay na namin ng mirror kasi yung kapatid ko na lalaki nag-exercise. So, ito yung door ko. Welcome guys! Ito po yung room. Actually, ang laki na niya. Ang laki ng room. Hindi ko inakala kasi I thought napakaliit lang ng space. Pero malaki pala. So, hindi pa siya tapos guys. Hindi pa siya tapos. Ang dami pa. So, ito yung CR. Ito yung CR kung hindi pa tapos guys. Ayan. Hindi pa siya tapos. So, kailangan ko pang mag-sit-up, mangarap ulit, at mag-singing para matapos ko to. So, yun yung that. Punta tayo sa room ng kapatid ko na our youngest sister. So, dito naman, ito yung sliding door. This would be the sliding door. Yan, sliding door. So, pag sliding door, dito yung kwarto ng kapatid ko na si Rizel. She's our youngest. So, this would be her room. Actually, napakalaki na ng room na ito. Parang bahay na siya. Parang bahay na. Because I thought napakaliit na ng space, but no, it's not. Ang laki. And then we have actually another third exit door. Kasi this will be the door. And there's a little bit balcony in there, and then maglalagay kasi ako ng parang ganun. So it's like a third exit door pag may fire na magaganap, no? So you have to prepare something like that. So this would be the lobby. Ma-enjoy mo yung hangin, yung road, yung nagtatabo. Sasakyan. This would be the view kung nandito kayo sa taas. Hindi pa po tapos guys. So dito sa itaas na ito, ceiling fan light. Yung malaki at ceiling fan. Yun yung mga design later on. So, yun. Tara! I am very happy and grateful and thankful. That is because ito yung gusto ko eh. This is what I want. This is my project. This is my plan. And it motivates me, guys. It motivates me so much. And I hope my brother and sisters the same like me. The way I think a lot of things. The way I have plans and projects. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. And welcome to Mama.